Retracts, part of the Truck Hero family, but known for their legendary truck bed covers. I'm Katie Osborne for Truck Hero. Alongside me is Matt Moore. Why are the Retrax XR Series so legendary?
Well, Katie, the Retracts line as a whole is legendary based off of our superior and premium product line of retractable bed covers. We lead the industry with design, durability, strength. On our Pro Series, we offer a lifetime warranty, which is the only retractable cover on the market that has that. We use steel ball bearings that glide through the rails, which is very nice, gives you a nice, smooth transition into the canister. So
Totally.
No maintenance, no lubrication involved, any of that stuff.
How much of the truck bed do you actually get to use?
So almost all of it. You do lose 11 inches of the bed for the canister. The cover has to go somewhere. So you lose a little bit of the back of the bed, but does not go down to the floor. So if you need to slide something underneath it or whatnot, you can.
You mentioned that lifetime warranty. My goodness, in this kind of industry with taking it out and being rugged with it, that's got to be helpful.
It is. It very much so, and it's definitely helped us boost sales over the past couple of years, and I know a lot of our customers really appreciate that.
Okay, big difference between the 1XR and the Pro XR.
So they're both. The XR means you're getting a T-slot channel within the rail for your cover. So the 1 Series is a polycarbonate shell. You got a one-piece construction. It's a plastic top. It's got aluminum rods that go widthwise through the cover. So it'll still hold 200 pounds evenly distributed. Now the Pro Series, that's where you get that legendary lifetime guarantee, that lifetime warranty. You're going to have a full aluminum construction. You're going to have locking pins on both the driver and the passenger side. It's going to be much more secure. Both covers are key lockable, but of course the Pro Series is the way to go if you want the durability and the strength and that secured, peace of mind.
You know, Matt, one of the things I really like about the Retracts brand is that you get to expand the capabilities of your adventure, meaning you can put things on top, you can carry things, you got ladders.
Yes.
How functional is that really?
It's very much so, very functional, because you can actually use, the big brands we always talk about, Yakima, Rhino Rack, Thule, all of those are compatible with our universal T-slot rail. But also, Truxedo's developed a new rail that's now going to be marketed under the Truck Hero umbrella called the Elevate Rack. So that's also going to butt up next to the rail and allow us to go cab high. And of course, behind me here, we have a Yakima set up with the Jetstream bars so that you can do bikes, fishing poles, kayaks, whatever you might need there.
Really utilizing the most out of your life and your adventure. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
If you'd like more information on Retracts, check out truck-hero.com.